by the rate of the Jochanyona.
Yes.
Jochanyona, Karatuaringa University. Na established the relationship. Ingia sana kuchasari. So he actually mentored me. Reita na koritiga sana. Yo korento bomu Gusii Karatuaringa no muske the rate Simon Yachai.
Yes.
May God bless his soul. Was a fine gentleman. Committed you what if you Gusii bunanyona. A generation here. Eba also siasa because what leadership.
Yes.
But the korokia aba Gusii na ba Kenya generally na leadership we ekogenda na interest chons ba what. Karumare ko pana no mwaka nya cha gente que taina gote na ke ba Gusii ba minto ba ntapa tele gente que tu chande ta ne ndamu am ba Gusii to koreta to what. Anyona miaka yayo spi he dealt with the people. Interest chumuntu lyo inse na chale ko what. Na siasa yabo njarengeria based on money. Siasa yabo yarenge based in terms inaki ingitokorera wananchi michando ya wananchi nili how do we alleviate na kitokuru michando ili wananchi baba babwate. Siasa ya chagete miaka 15 ya hairire irana siasa ya kuonyesha upabe ichi celebrity yani ngengeri timi lakini tumetenda kebeke kausi na nyodre kibese ninko yendane nabeka abantu ebinyoro nabasera bange chikura na itana na chigari chinene abantu bandura no muchumbende and that's all. That's why uranyore nabono ena bachumbe twachorete bali parliament. Monti muchumbo yo mutenenire or was a bill ya very discussed in parliament either iguro ya Gusii ebe no koroshe mangana ye kwa ya sauti mugirano ebe ne ke ibirubumbiro to bene to kora reclamation osino butaka buri Gusii na bono mubwikano echae iki bonus cha sogete. It is pathetic.
Yeah.
Kwa iguro muchumbe nana ya mugo kwa because that is the interest of the leadership. You need to show the people the way. You need to stand up for the rights yaba abantu bawo mugwa balimu again the farmers again the students again the kila muntu lakini generally all of them have no interest. Iriso ni lyo kubabolia bata ninchemba tete yojo ikachikure bande bago tete tubekera ini onye timbo atebeso mubuko mbagonjo. So current politics is money based, not people, not leadership. Is about money. How much money do you have? Na kikwa sera bantu na kibawa chora kra wasoro na kikwa more money nendo chochirende in the next election shots.